Remini Baby AI Tutorial. How to use baby filter on Remini. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. As you can see here, I've got this cool app called Remini, and if you're unfamiliar, you can download it from your Play Store, and it's quite easy to use. It's a large set of tools, so there is quite a bit that you can do on it. Now, first of all, you are met with this page over here, so you can either sign up or you can just tap the X on the top left hand side of the screen. That will now close your page, and now you will be able to actually use the app. So basically what it allows you to do is you can generate photos of yourself using their AI tool, and there are a bunch of other bits and pieces you can actually do with this tool. So you can enhance your images. If you have some images that have some digital noise that basically is a blur on your images, you can actually use this app. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go down to the AI photos on the bottom of the page, right in the middle, and it says generate your photos with AI, and all you can do now is tap on let's do it, and you can now pick your gender. We're going to tap on male and continue. Then it says upload 8 selfies, and we're going to tap on 8 selfies, and basically you can now select the 8 selfies. Now what I've done is I've specifically taken these selfies for this operation. You can now tap on continue. Basically what they need is good quality images that are high resolution, or at least clear with good lighting, so that you can actually see what's going on. Now, among all of these filters that you can see over here, basically these are models as to what they're going to model your images out of. Now we're looking at the baby images, so we're going to go and tap on this baby in this little blue overall, or this blue baby grow over here. Very cute he is. We're going to tap on that, and it says use this model image, and we're going to tap on that right over there. And what it's going to now ask you again is if you want to restore your purchase. We're going to just tap the X, and it is now uploading your photos. Now this will take a few minutes to do, so we are going to check back in a few minutes. And now we've gotten to the point where they've actually processed your images. Now your first process will take a few minutes longer, however your second and your third, and as you go on, your processing time will be less than a minute, as they say. So the first thing you need to do here, it says you can swipe right to save, or you can swipe left to put it into the trash. So what we're going to do here is, this is my image, and it actually looks pretty decent. I think it's quite decent. If I'm looking at it, I'm thinking to myself, it actually looks very much alike what I looked like when I was a baby, and also looks very much alike my son, just the facial features. So it actually looks pretty decent. So what we can do here is we can just tap on this save over here, and there are some more images. Again, we can just tap on save. I'm going to save all of these images. We can tap on this one as well, and that one. That is actually quite a decent image. I like that. That's quite good. And there you go. Now what you can do is you can actually get a video of this whole thing. So you can say yes, save video. We're going to save the video and see what it actually gives us. And basically what it's done is it's taken all the images and it's created a slideshow, and it has put it into a video. So now what you can do is you can tap on generate more images if you need to, or you can just hit the X over here and it takes you right back to this main menu over here, and then you can go on and explore other features on Remini. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.